The dumbest shit people say about black hair.
Starts with that blow dryer. Yeah. How many of you guys have heard some very bad things about the blow dryer? It's too hot, it's not good for your hair, it damages your hair, so on and so forth. Well, this afternoon at 4 o'clock, the Hair Oracle and we're going to discuss the blow dryer, giving you guys the secrets about it. And then, of course, Sir Pooh, the owner of Studio Shampoo, is going to talk about finding a good hairstylist. So between a good blow dryer and a good hairstylist, the three of us, we are going to break it down. See you in the chat at 4 o'clock today.